Hello, it is Mary and Mocha. There we go. We'll take the glasses off. It's Mary and Mocha. He's sitting right next to me. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications to let you know whenever I post another video. With that being said, let's get into this video. So, my Mocha dog is a happy boy. Huh, Mochers? He's a happy boy. Mama loves you. So what this video is about is the review of this right here. It's a 12-volt cordless drill with various accessories. Actually, this right here, in this kit you do get the case, you get the drill. Mocha's gonna sniff it. I just realized something. Hello, it is Mary again. You get these attachments. And I'm trying to see something before I finish. Okay, yeah. So you get these attachments. I think I know what happened. I started doing the video and I had to cancel the video. You get the drill bits, the charger, magnetic wristband, this tool, which I put on here. You get that. These drill bits. A thing talking about the magnetic. Manual that tells you what the different things are. A tape measure that's 3.0 m's. Tape measure. And what am I excited about? The drill, the bits, which I'm going to have to use these bits on this desk that I have you sitting on. And everything came in this cute little nifty bag. We'll put the charger back in there. So like I said, you do get bits. This tool goes for any of these bits, which I will leave this out. Tape measure. This is a extender, and you can do different kinds of ways. You put the bit in here, put that on your drill, and you can have it go further. You go all the way to 1/5, all the way to 6/5. on your bits. What's nice is it does have a place for them. On the back shows you how long the bits are. And then after you're done with it, you just close and put it back in your bag. So if you're working on stuff, all you do is open this up. Put it on you, then put the belt bits or screws that you're using on here, and it holds it. Here's that side, there's that side. Try not to have this touch my laptop because I don't want it to break. So, we're going to set this down here. Because one thing I haven't done is took this stuff out of here. This is basically telling you how to use crud. So, that part right there goes there. And you put this in your drill. So, these right here are 2.2 inch scouring pads. So you just put this on here, and what these are for, no, they're 3.35 inch scouring pads. No, these are the first one I said. The two, oh yeah, these are 5-inch scouring pads. So what these are for is perfect for the kitchen, cleaning, oven, stove, cooktop, sink, cast iron, skillet, frying pan, pots and pans. So that's what these are for. And you get 3 of them. You get 3. The next one is this one right here, because you only get 2 of these. It's 2 5-inch scouring pads, deep cleaning glass, stovetops, baseboards, and drains. It's a more grit, more itchier than the first one. This one, if you have any bad I would think this one would be baseboards, and this be the kitchen counter. Because it looks like this one is the one that they're showing for the kitchen counter, and this one is what they're showing to use on cleaning glass, stovetop, baseboards. This is a backer. Connects to the sponges and scouring pads and the drill. This right here is a 1-inch sponge pad for flat surfaces, especially after you using on counters, brush, you can help make cleaning easier. So that's what these are for. I haven't used none of these, so I'm pretty much putting them back in here. And put the little tool in there. There's those. Next is these right here. Each thing has the same little doodad. So this one is a 2-inch flat brush for small scale cleans like faucets and overflow plates. You probably can use this if you got a really cruddy kitchen or bathroom. Just put this on and it will clean. Then the one that looks like a toilet bowl cleaner. It's a 3.5-inch ball brush for cleaning counters and corners and counters and curved surfaces. So this one, if you use this in your toilet to clean your toilet bowl, don't use it nowhere else, because you don't want your toilet mess going into other places. Like I said, none of these have been used. I've been keeping them in there. And this one right here is a 4-inch flat brush for flat surfaces such as grout, laminate, fiberglass, shower enclosures, bricks, tiles, etc. So if you have some really bad grout that you need to be cleaned, I would use this. And that is all those. We'll put that back in there. So you do get your, this is your battery to charge it. Right here, you plug the cord in right there and it charges it, so you don't have it plug on, and then it snaps back. So what is nice about this also, other than getting everything that's in this pack, is this is already charged. When you get it, it does have a light there. And on this side, it has these lights. It tells you that it is basically fully charged. On top, it has 1 or 2. 2 is faster than 1. And then, of course, it's got going in and then going out. Around here, I haven't figured out what it is, but it's got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. And then of course you do left and right. Left to put your bolt in there, right. Then it closes it. So far this has been really good. I used it on bamboo dowels that I have. They are hard to use the drill on, and I can't cut them right now to make them the width. So right now Zumi's thing is to the way it's gonna be for now until I make a new enclosure, which I will be using my drill the whole time I may work on it. There's really no bad stuff so far on this drill. I've got no complaints about the drill. So far I like it because it's easy to use. And I've always wanted a hand-free drill instead of using a screwdriver and trying to screw drive this stuff in there. So now I got this and I go and when you're done using it, everything zips back up into the little case. But I do like that. I might get me whenever I get into my own place, I might figure out a way to keep all my tools in one place. Because I already told my roommate that all my tools stay together because I don't want to lose anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications to let you know whenever I post another video. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day or night whenever you watch this.